Ever pondered why some organizations seem to excel effortlessly, while others struggle to keep their heads above water? The answer often lies in the art of people management and team building. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Each musician is a master of their own instrument, but without a conductor to manage them, to bring them together in harmony, the result would be chaos, not music. The same principle applies in a business context, but instead of musical notes, we're dealing with skills, personalities, and ambitions. Consider the case of TechDino, a once struggling startup. They had a talented team and a great product, but something was missing. Despite their individual skills, the team couldn't achieve their goals. They were like a group of solo artists trying to form a band, each playing their own tune. Then they engaged with AlphaFam, a company specializing in people management. AlphaFam began by understanding each team member's skills, ambitions, and working style. They identified the gaps in the team and filled them with the right people. They introduced effective communication channels and fostered a culture of mutual respect and collaboration. Gradually, the transformation became apparent. The team started working as a unit, supporting each other and capitalizing on each other's strengths. They were now not just a group of individuals, but a well-oiled machine, working in harmony towards a common goal. Now, TechDino is a successful company with a thriving team, a testament to the power of effective people management and team building. But the journey doesn't stop here. People management and team building is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process of nurturing talent, fostering collaboration, and driving growth. And that's where AlphaFam comes in. With their expertise in people management, AlphaFam can help transform your team just like they did for TechDino. They can help you build a team that's not just a collection of individuals, but a symphony of talents, working in harmony to achieve your business goals. So if you're looking to unlock the true potential of your team, don't hesitate to reach out to AlphaFam. Because in business, as in music, it's not just about having the best players, it's about making them play together in harmony. And that's the art of people management, scene script, voiceover. So where does AlphaFam come into the picture? Well, the answer is right at the heart of your team. AlphaFam serves as the conductor, orchestrating the symphony of talents within your team. They apply their unique approach to people management and team building, which is carefully designed to foster collaboration and drive growth. AlphaFam does not just focus on the individual strengths of your team members. Instead, they look at how these strengths can be harmonized to create a powerful and cohesive unit. Their strategy involves nurturing the individual talents while promoting a culture of teamwork, because they understand that a team's true potential is realized when everyone is playing in harmony. And don't just take our word for it, take a look at the case studies of companies transformed by AlphaFam. Companies like TechDino, who saw a significant boost in productivity and morale after implementing AlphaFam's people management strategies. Or consider the success story of NextGen Innovations, a startup that went from struggling with team dynamics to being hailed as one of the best places to work, all thanks to AlphaFam. In the end, with AlphaFam, you're not just building a team, you're orchestrating a symphony of talents, working together in perfect harmony to achieve your business goals. So, are you ready to conduct your own symphony of success?